Hey, Jody Walters here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're on top of the 2019 33 Express by Grady-White. Yes, it's got the same CV2 hull that all Grady-Whites have got, which give you the best riding hull in the industry. But I'm going to hit some of the key features that make this such a great weekender fishing top of the line boat that you ever want to spend the time on. All the hinges on a Grady-White, just like the hull, they're all overkill, 3/16 stainless. You have a huge fish locker, but it's not just a fish locker, it's also refrigerated and freezer. This section here you can freeze, which limits you on what ice you have to bring for that long weekend. You got a divider to keep your food separated or keep your fish separated. You have a real quick access cooler. Once you catch these fish, turn around, put them on your electric canyon grill. Keep your beverages in the refrigerator with your ice maker. Listen to your tunes back here in the cockpit. All of this has a huge light up area with multicolored lights. You have underwater lighting. You have a sure shade to cover the top. Huge fish well with all your controls back here so you can keep this section separated. Once you get out of fish mode, which also has integrated tow rails, combing paddles for fighting your fish, the tuna door on the rear, but then it's easy to convert it for your entertaining. You can get to where you want to go in a hurry with the 425 Yamahas. And as you make your way up here to the helm seat, the captain has plenty of visibility, never loses the horizon. He's in the center of the ship. The seat rotates around so he can join the party in the back. He doesn't have to worry about keeping you on the spot because this is also equipped with Helmmaster with set point. Gets you on your spot. One button keeps you on the spot. Has many other features to go with. You have plenty of storage. This isn't even storage. This is another refrigeration compartment. Your loungers has a huge cuddy cabin with 2 berths and 1 small berth for a child. Air conditioned inside. Not only that, is once you have all the screens up, you have air conditioning in the cockpit. I've had a chance to spend some time on this boat. It's very, very comfortable. It's a smooth ride. It's my favorite boat on the lot. Come see me, Panama City Beach, Florida, MarineMax, Jody Walters. I look forward to taking you to spend as much time with you on this boat and go through every feature that it's got. Thank you.